Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to create a poll on Discord server. So go to your Safari and search for Discord poll bot and then go to this website and then invite this simple poll on your server and then go back to your server. Now tap simple poll, then add to server and then tap continue. Now go to your server settings and then tap create channel. Now name your channel as poll and then go to your poll channel. Now here slash and then tap poll question. Now type any question, like I'm going to type how old are you, then tap option A. Now type your number. Now tap option B, then option C. So this is how you can make a question for a poll. So this is how you can make a poll on your Discord server. So see, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.